What's up, estudiantes? Another day, another episode. And we are here at Eastern Samar State University, located at Canoctan Hall. My name is Rodel Arca.
My name is Ike Daphne Umiko.
My name is Yanush Ashila. This is Melanda Rose Badilla. I am Angel Anpanil.
And I am Carol Chayantay.
And I am Lawrence Tomado.
And we are the H Squad.
Hello ma'am, what is your name and what is your sport?
Hi, I am Angel Mary Miyadi from SBA and my sport for this event is softball.
So what inspired you to pursue that a particular sport, or who are your role model?
Yan nila kasi nga sports is tikang kada elementary is sport ko na. Dahil na, again po pursue ko lagi natin akong career na sports.
Okay ma'am. What were the presentations you have made for this event?
Every day, nagpa-practice kami na grandstand, kada kulot, pag-aalas 6.
Okay, thank you. Another question is, what is an inspirational message would you like to share with the students of the institute?
Gusto ko lang ma-share it ng mga students like me, sugad haap. Bisan kon itiyo panlawas isugad haapon, impulso lagyat niyo itiyo karuyag nga sports. Kasi diit nakakaulan. Hito sa nga event, itindaretin kada ko, tingkabuti kung lagas ka na, bata ka pa. Kung gusto nim talaga ito sa nga sport, ipupurso lagyat.
Okay ma'am, thank you so much.
Also, isang aki, anong sports do you softball? So, we have three questions. What inspired you to pursue that particular sport? And who is your role model?
Marigo role model. I believe in myself.
So, paano ko niyo, paano niyo na-feeling nga siya din karoon niya at kapihan niya ng entrance?
Tsaka stop ko.
Habit. Second question. What were the preparation you have made for this event? What are some of the challenges you face?
Siguro training. Tapos tuhan ng mga kalaban. Nakikita namin mga kalaban. Siyempre, pressure kami yung katalbaan.
Third question. What is the inspirational message you would like to share with the students of SU?
Siguro, kulang, laban. Kung ano man ito yung passion, doon na na. Ato na.
Tama, salamat ate.
What inspired you to pursue that particular sport?
Siyempre.
What were the preparations you have made for this event? What are some of the challenges you
Kapasuan. Kay tiris kasi nag-participate. Kapasok kasi as a disadvantage kasi nakakasukan.
What is an inspirational message would you like to share with the students of this?
Ay lang kaawat mag-athlete. Ayun lang. Basta yun talaga career.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.